वैसे तो बहुत दयावान हूँ मैं, पर दुश्मनों की मृत्यु का सामान हूँ मैं। माँ भारती की रक्षा में प्राणियों छवर करता देश का वीर जवान हूँ मैं। गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन. July 26 marks a significant day in India's history, Kargil Vijay Divas. It's a day to honor the bravery, sacrifice and determination of the Indian soldiers who fought in the Kargil war. In 1999, Pakistan's intrusion into Indian territory sparked a fierce battle in the rugged terrain of Kargil, Dras and Batalik. Our Indian Army's Operation Vijay aimed to reclaim India's occupied territories, and our soldiers displayed unwavering courage and patriotism. As we commemorate this day, let's pay tribute to the heroes who made ultimate sacrifices. Their stories of valor and courage inspire us to this day. Let's remember their bravery and honor their legacy. In this role play, we will hear the stories of Kargil warriors who will share their experiences, struggles and triumph. Their accounts will give us glimpses of the challenges they faced and the sacrifices they made for our country. So let's meet Captain Vikram Batra, a brave Indian soldier who led his team to victory in the Kargil war. With his fearless attitude and determination, he captured point 5140 and inspired his fellow soldiers. Let's hear his story in his own words.
I just remember the day I was part of the operation to reclaim point 5140. It was a daunting task, but I was determined to succeed. As I led my team up to the treacherous terrain, we faced intense firing from the enemy. But I wasn't afraid. I knew I had a job to do and I was going to get it done. When we finally captured the point, I radioed my commanding officer and said, "Ye dil mange more." It was more than just a phrase. It was my mantra. I wanted to push enemy back and reclaim our territory. I was injured in the battle for .4875. But I refused to give up. I knew every moment counted and I had to keep moving forward. I led my team with all my might, taking out enemy soldiers one by one. It was a fierce fight, but we emerged victorious. In the end, it was my time to go. I was hit and I knew I wouldn't make it. But even in my last moments, I shouted Jai Mata Di. It was a cry of victory, a declaration of my faith and testament of bravery that drove me throughout the war. I am proud of what I achieved during the Kargil war. We fought for our country, for the values we stand for my fellow soldiers. I hope these stories inspire you all to fight for your country, to stand up for what's right and never give up in the face of adversity. Jai Hind!
Good morning everyone. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, a fearless leader who played a crucial role in capturing the Kaluba top in the Batalik sector. His bravery and sacrifice will always be remembered. Now let's hear about his experience during the war. I still remember the day we were tasked to capture the Kalubar top in the Batalik sector. It was a demanding task, but I was determined to succeed. As we approached the enemy position, we came under heavy fire. I knew I had to act fast, so I charged towards the enemy, neutralizing the first position and killing 2 soldiers. Then I moved forward, destroying the second position and killing 2 more enemy soldiers. As we proceed forward, I was crucially hit on shoulder and leg. I knew I can't make it. Then also I try-harded and inspired my troop throughout the battle and destroying 4 enemy bunkers. While destroying the 4th enemy bunker, I lobbed a grenade to destroy it, but I was fatally hit by a burst of fire on my forehead. In my last moments, I knew I have given everything for my country, and that gave me my strength. I am proud to have served India. I hope my stories inspires others to stand up for what's right and fight for their own country. My 111th Gorkha Rifles will always be remembered for their bravery and sacrifice in the Kargil war. Jai Hind!
Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav, a brave soldier who climbed the treacherous terrain of Tiger Hill to capture the strategic peak. His determination and courage earned him the Param Veer Chakra. Let's hear his story of bravery and sacrifice.
I was part of the team that was tasked with capturing Tiger Hill, a strategic peak. It was a formidable task as the enemy had fortified positions and was putting up a fierce resistance. As we approached the peak, we came under intense fire and my team suffered heavy casualties. Despite the odds, I volunteered to lead the team to capture the peak. We climbed rocky terrain facing heavy fire and explosions. We never stopped by facing the fire and explosions. I was hit in the face and shoulder, but I refused to give up. I continued taking the charge and eliminating the enemy soldiers and removing enemy to move my team forward. We finally won and captured the peak. I hope these stories inspires you all to stand for the country. I am proud to have served India. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Lieutenant Colonel Yogesh Kumar Joshi, a seasoned officer, led his unit to the victory in the Kargil War. Despite being injured, he continued to learn from friends and inspired his troops. Let's hear about his experiences during the war.
I was commanding my unit to Rajpatna Rifles during the battle to capture Tiger Hill. It was a challenging task as the enemy had heavily fortified the positions and putting up a strong resistance. Despite being injured, I continued to lead my troop from front and motivating them to push forward and capture the peak. My unit faced heavy casualties, but we worked as a team to overcome the obstacle. We used our training and techniques to over the enemy and capture the strategic peak. I am proud of what we achieved during the Kargil War. We demonstrate the true spirit of Indian Army, fighting against all odds to defend our country's sovereignty. I am honored to serve India and to have played a role in the victory. Jai Hind!
Major Rajesh Singh Adhikari, a brave officer who led his team to capture the point 4875. His courage and sacrifice will always be remembered. So let us hear about his experience during the war.
Was part of the unit that was tasked with capturing the point 4875 in the Dras sector. It was an overwhelming task as the enemy had heavily fortified position and was putting up a fearless resistance. As we approached the peak, we came under intense fire, and I was tasked with leading a team to capture a strategic bunker. I led the charge, taking out enemy positions and clearing the way for my team. Despite being wounded, I continued to fight. I am proud to have served India and to have played a role in Kargil War. Jai Hind!
हो। मैं ना लौटा आने वाले साल जो मेरी वर्दी बोले मेरा हाल तो नैना अश्क न हो ये समझना मैं हूँ मजबूर नैना अश्क न हो नैना अश्क न हो। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज़ी दीवाने की जहाँ बोर सुहानी देखी एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो। कभी याद करे जो जमाना माटी पे मर मिट जाना जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा।
हे मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। हे मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी।
Good afternoon. Dear children, today the price of freedom is eternal vigilance. Let us honor the bravery and sacrifices of our soldiers who fought valiantly in the Kargil war. Honorable school management, respected principal, vice principals, dear heads, teachers and my lovely students, as we gather today to commemorate Kargil Vijay Divas, let us remember the words of great freedom fighter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself in thousands of lives. The Kargil war, fought between May and July 1999, was a pivotal moment in India's history. Pakistani soldiers and militants infiltrated the Indian side of the line of control in Kargil, Jammu and Kashmir, sparking an intense conflict. Our armed forces responded with courage and determination, reclaiming the occupied territory and emerging victorious. Dear children, during this critical period, our former Prime Minister, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, played a crucial role in guiding the nation. His leadership and decisive decision-making helped our armed forces to successfully execute Operation Vijay, which ultimately led to the liberation of Kargil. Today, under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, India continues to strengthen its national security and sovereignty. His initiatives such as the Make in India program for defense manufacturing and the push for modernizing our armed forces demonstrate his commitment to building a strong and self-reliant India. The bravery and sacrifice of our soldiers during the Kargil war continue to inspire us today. Captain Vikram Batra's famous words, just now one of our student of 9th standard said, "Ye dil mange more," that is, "Ye Bharat mange more," still echo in our hearts. Their bravery and patriotism are a beacon of hope and inspiration for all of us. Life at the line of control is not easy, dear students. Our soldiers face extreme weather conditions, from scorching heat to freezing cold, and rugged terrain that makes every step a challenge. Children, the soldiers live in isolated outposts, often with limited communication with their families and loved ones. Despite these challenges, our soldiers remain vigilant and committed to their duty. They stand guard, ever ready to defend our nation against any threat. Their bravery and sacrifice is the only quality that they possess, which is inspiring all of us to do well in whichever field we are working today. To you, dear students, I say that the sacrifices of our soldiers should motivate you to work hard and strive for excellence. Let their courage and patriotism inspire you to become responsible citizens and contribute to the growth and development of our beloved nation. As you pursue your dreams and ambitions, remember that you are not just building your own future, but also the future of our great nation. Let the spirit of Kargil Vijay Divas guide you to become the leaders and change makers of tomorrow. Thank you. Jai Hind. एक साथ ऊंची आवाज में बोलेंगे, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत